Down here at Fab Rats, this is where it all started for chadsfab. And we thought since we'd had so many requests, we would share all of the outros that we've done over the last year. And I've had a few of you ask where I get these outros from, and some of them come from other people. Some of them come from things I've read, but they're all adaptations of things that I've learned in my life that have helped me. So I hope they helped you, and I hope you enjoy this video. Remember to always try to be the solution. Remember the random acts of kindness. Remember to do your best to be your best. Remember to not let fear stop you from doing what you really want to do. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to help someone. And you may have more influence than you give yourself credit for. Remember, never confuse a single defeat for a final defeat. Remember what Thomas Jefferson said, when you're at the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Remember, don't let others tell you can't do something. Make your own successes, and don't be afraid to make your own mistakes. Remember, the easiest person to laugh at should always be yourself. So when all else fails, just smile. Remember, do what needs to be done. Never allow yourself the luxury of quitting. Remember, worry is the interest paid for those who would borrow trouble. Remember, the greatest project you'll ever work on is yourself. Remember, a friend will accept you the way you are, but a true friend will leave you better than when he found you. Remember to loan your strengths to others rather than remind them of their weaknesses.
Have a good one.
Remember, be quick to remember your strengths and slow to internalize others' criticism of you.
Like Chad would say, remember, we're not all perfect, but like those cars, parts of us are still excellent.
Remember, in this life, there's no way around the pain, but the misery is optional. Remember, never accept criticism from somebody you would never ask advice from. Remember, don't just dream about doing fun things. Wake up and do them. Remember, do the best you can till you know better. And when you know better, do better. Okay, got Krusty back together. Had a little bit of fun. I love Krusty. Remember, be proud in the work you do and humble in your continued learning. Remember, if you don't like what you're getting, change what you're giving. Remember, blowing out somebody else's candle won't make yours burn any brighter. Remember, the situations we face are not as important as our attitudes towards them. Remember, seek the truth, do what's right, and let the chips fall where they fall. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Remember, you can't always fix what has been done, but always do your best to repair what you can. Remember, common sense is a good friend we should all visit regularly. Remember, never to look down on somebody unless you're admiring their shoes. Thanks, Kaden, for filling in while I was out, putting some video together for the good folks. Remember that our mistakes and our failures shouldn't define us. Instead, we should let them refine us into the people we were sent here to become. Remember, don't nag yourself with thoughts of failure. Do things the best you can in the best way you know how. Thanks for watching, and have a Merry Christmas. Don't forget to go check out our merch at chadsfab.com. We've got hoodies and hats like Kenner's wearing there, pocket tees, regular tees, and a few other things. Don't forget the old adage, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Remember, everybody needs help, so don't be afraid to ask. Remember, negative thoughts and feelings cultivated today will only bring misery and sorrow tomorrow. Remember to believe in possibilities. You never know what adventures may be awaiting you. Remember, when you're feeling overwhelmed, one step, one thought, one task at a time. Remember, there's no shame in falling down, just staying down. Remember, trust but verify. When all else fails, you just have to do it yourself. Remember, if you're better today than you were yesterday, then that's good enough. Remember, the only thing that separates a lesson from outright failure is attitude.
Remember, making people happy makes you happy too, because life is better when you're laughing.
Remember, there's never a shortcut for a goal worth achieving. Remember to live for what today has to offer, not for what yesterday has taken away. Remember to always be yourself. Everybody else is taken. Till next time, remember, self-control is strength. Don't allow your emotions to overcome your intelligence. We got to test it out and do tow trucky type of things out there, and
It's good.
it was really good. So we're all really happy. Put a lot of concerns to rest.
We have to wait until he's done.
And there goes Dusty.
Yeah, Dusty's going home.
There goes Krusty.
Remember to surround yourself with confident people that will lighten your load. Remember to be as good as your word. Make sure you stop by chadsfab. Check out our merch. Maybe buy some stuff. Maybe help us so we have more money to make stupid financial decisions here. So remember, nobody is perfect. So judge less and love more. Remember that every moment is a new beginning. It's never too late to start over if you feel the need. Remember, when choosing between being kind and right, it's always best to choose kind.
Remember, we all drive on rough roads. It's our attitude and good suspension that determines the ride.
Okay, that takes care of it for day one. It was a really good time. It was also good to meet so many fans. Talked to a lot of you. You've traveled a lot of miles. And it was really fun to see so many people with big smiles on their faces. So, till next time, remember, how we get here isn't nearly as important as what we do while we're here. That's it for the record games. Till next time, remember, it's not the challenges that we carry with us, but it's the people around us that help carry our burdens. And remember to not be scared of making mistakes. That's just part of the learning process. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. At least consider it. And if you have subscribed, double check, make sure YouTube hasn't dumped you off. There's been a huge dump here in the last couple of weeks. So remember to always be an encourager. The world already has way too many critics. Remember, the hard thing to do and the right thing to do are usually the same thing. Looks like the sticker war is still going. Actually, it's probably just getting warmed up. Robbie's not scared, so I haven't turned my back on him yet. So there'll probably be a stack of stickers show up at some point, but that takes care of it for now. Till next time, remember that fear kills more dreams than failure does. Remember, there are still a lot of amazing people out there, and you're probably one of them. Remember, our happiness depends more on what's inside rather than our external circumstances.
It's been really good, but I will tell you, all of Chad's family teases him non-stop that he's the YouTube guy.
Yeah.
Because out of the whole family, they said they never figured it would be Chad.
No, I'm the last person in the world, you'd think. So.
Would be on YouTube. And yet here he is.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. And we would end it with our normal remember.
Till next time, remember to find new things and don't be scared to learn something new. Thanks for watching.
I'm not scared, I just don't want to.
Remember, dream big, go to work. Remember, life should be simple, so avoid needlessly complicating things. Remember that sometimes in order to move forward, you have to take a couple steps back. Till next time, remember, don't let other people's bogus opinions detract you from doing what you want to do or limit your potential. Remember to always be a force for good, and don't forget those random acts of kindness. Remember the words of Bill Murray, whatever you do, give 100%, unless you're donating blood. Remember to stand up for yourself and for your beliefs, because if you don't, no one else will. Till next time, remember that your response to the situation should always make them better rather than worse. Till next time, remember, don't waste time worrying about things that are out of your control. Till next time, remember that happiness should be part of the journey. It's not a destination. Till next time, remember the greatest forgiveness you can give is usually the forgiveness you give yourself. Till next time, remember the spot between the big moments and the small moments is called life. Make sure you don't miss any of it. Remember, always be kinder than you think is necessary. Till next time, remember, you can't get upset about the result you didn't get for the work you didn't do. Remember, we all have our own challenges. So when you get knocked down, get up, dust yourself off, get back after it, and make sure you allow others the same opportunity. Till next time, remember, you're never too old, you're never too young to learn something new. So don't be afraid to get out there, try something different, maybe discover a new talent you didn't know you had. Well, we got quite a few new videos in store for you once we get back home and get back to work. But it sure is nice to be down here in Glendale spending time with Paul and Michelle and their family. Kind of recharge my batteries. There's been a lot going on. We do have a lot planned for Griz and a lot planned for Kenner's truck. And we're gonna have quite a bit get done on Kaden's Blazer as well. So, and of course we have the Scout that'll be coming up here probably in the next 4 to 6 weeks as well. So the goal is to have that one ready to use in October. I haven't quite got a full game plan on that one yet, but I think you'll like what we do to the Scout. So, well, that takes care of it for this video. Thanks for watching. I had it on my mind that we'd had enough outros, but we don't have enough outros. So I'm gonna milk it just a little bit with one more outro. So remember to always be true to yourself, because the only true version of success is the one that you choose for yourself. Thanks for watching.